The Tazz 35310 tiller cultivator boasts a powerful 79 cubic centimeter Viper engine that delivers excellent performance and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for various soil conditions. This versatile two-in-one tool easily transitions from a tiller to a cultivator, offering multiple tilling widths to suit your gardening needs throughout the season. Designed with a low center of gravity, the Tazz 3530 provides superior stability and maneuverability, ensuring easy control even in tight spaces. The adjustable steel handlebar with 4 height positions offers ergonomic comfort for users of all sizes, while the tilling depth can be effortlessly controlled. Built with durability in mind, this tiller features rugged components like a bronze gear transmission and forged steel tines for long-lasting performance. With a 3-year limited warranty and excellent customer support, the Tazz 3530 ensures peace of mind and satisfaction for gardening enthusiasts.